guys, I'm back again. I'm here inside the kitchen. Guess what? I'm going to cook. So I'm going to cook today the one that I picked in my garden, the pepper, and then the alugbati. And then I'm going to add bihon and mushroom. So that's my what do you call this one? Buot menu. First, these are my ingredients. Here we go, guys. That's my ingredients: pepper from the garden, then 2 cloves of onion and 1 clove of garlic, and with the beef, ground beef, yum, mushroom, 1 can of mushroom, and that's my alugbati from the garden, and the bihon. So I'm going to cook now. I have the pots here with oil. Need to turn on the fire. Okay, good. So now, time to start. So okay, now I'm going to put the meat. Meat first, guys, because I want to cook this one before the spices. There you go. I need to cook properly the meat. This is frozen, so it takes time to. I pull this one before I cook this morning. Nice beef. This is special, guys. Almost. You see? Wow. Nice meat. Now I'm going to throw the garlic. And the onion. There. We have a nice pot really. I forgot. Wow, smells good. The green pepper. There. Wow, yum yum. Then I'm going to add now the salt. Yes. And the pepper. Just a little allspice. Wow, humot. Smells good, guys. I wanna cover this one for 5 minutes. I'll be back later. Okay, let's check again. Wow. I'm going to put now the mushroom. There. Smells good really, guys. And now is the noodles. The noodles. Bihon, the bihon, guys, not noodles. Same noodles. We call this one bihon. Special bihon. There. Then mix it. Wow. Yum yum. I wish I have carrots. I don't have carrots. Matay. Smells good really, guys. Smells good really. I need to add seasoning. There. Wow. Dami. Gonna add soy. Sa kay lamian eh. Ah, wow. Smells good. Wow. Gutom ko na. Gigutom mo, guys. Are you hungry, guys, watching this one? Me too, I'm hungry. It's not yet 5 o'clock in the afternoon here. So I can eat after this one. Wow. Tilawan. Patila, patiki. Let me eat. Maglami bag lasa. Yummy eh. Wow. Wow na wow. Mami guys, promise. Mami kayo. Mami siya sa waog. Tinapay. Wami tinapay. No sliced bread. Mami kayo guys. Ting lami ah. Purya buyag. So I wanna get my bowl. Oh, lami ah eh. Finish guys. So I need to get the bowl here. Yum yum. Morning kilaon guys, no rice. I like the bihon, dili lata. The noodles. So thank you so much guys. I already done cooking. Finished cooking. Yum yum. You wanna try guys? There. Lami. So bye guys. Because I want to eat now. Before 5 o'clock is my diet. And I wanna finish this one. No rice. Is that a diet? Maybe I don't have a lunch. So bye. Thanks for watching. I'll be back later or tomorrow. Bye.